Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing a science demonstration called Erosion through beach waves. So our standard for today is to use evidence to explain how different geologic processes shape Earth's history over widely varying scales of space and time. Our objective for the day is to observe the effects of geologic processes on Earth's surface. And our goal of this experiment is to demonstrate erosion through ocean waves so that students can observe the effects of geologic processes. Now, our materials for this experiment, I have my tin baking tray. I already have my damp sand packed into the tray. I've got my 2 cups full of ocean water that contain blue food coloring, and that is all we will be needing for this experiment. So, the first thing that I did in this experiment was I mixed my sand with just a little bit of damp water, and then I packed it into the bottom of my tray. So here my sand is going to represent a sandbar, like if we were at the beach. So I am going to take my 2 cups of ocean water and slowly pour them into my baking pan. Now, I think 1 is going to be just enough. Now, I want everybody to watch what happens to my sand as I create waves in our baking pan. And then we're also going to observe the effects afterwards. Alright, so if we look closely, we can actually see that our ocean water has carried out some of the sand. The key term for this is called erosion. So, just like what you guys just saw on the demonstration, when waves crash up on the shore at the beach, it actually takes sand out into the ocean with it. So this process is called erosion, and that is the process of some kind of natural force degrading away at a surface. So there are actually 2 processes that take place in this. First, we have erosion, and then we also have deposition that occurs later, and that is when the water takes the sand and drops it off somewhere else. But we will get more into that later.